Hello guys, I am back with another video. Today we discuss about the best VPN services of 2021. Looking to maximize your security and anonymity online, of course you are. A virtual private network can help. Whether you are working remotely or you simply want to keep your online information secure, a virtual private network is key for maximizing your privacy. A VPN can help give you online anonymity by creating an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. That's come in handy if you want to keep your online life safe from prying eyes. However, with more and more people looking to protect their privacy online, demand for VPN services has been booming, and new VPN providers keep jumping into the marketplace. That can make it challenging to sort through the multitude of options to find the best VPN service to meet your particular needs. That's where these VPN guides come in. After researching and testing a number of surveys, we have rounded up the best VPN providers that will keep your online information totally private. Number 1, Express VPN. Number of IP addresses 30,000. Number of servers 3,000 plus in 160 locations. Number of simultaneous connections 5 country. British Virgin Island 94 plus countries. ExpressVPN tells us its networks is powered by trusted server technology, which ExpressVPN built to ensure that there are never any logs of users' online activities. In the privacy world, ExpressVPN has a strong track record, having experienced a server by authorities which proved their zero log policy true at the time. We also like the quality of the VPN setup guides and the detailed information it is. Number 2, Surfshark. Number of servers 3200 plus. Number of server locations 65. Region British Virgin Island. While Surfshark's network is smaller than some, the VPN service make it up on feature and speed. Let's start off with the biggest win it offer, Ultimate Devices Support. If you want to run your entire home or office on Surfshark VPN, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about how many devices you have on or connected. It also offers anti-malware, ad blocking, and tracker blocking as part of its software. Number 3, NordVPN. Best VPN for reliability and security. Number of IP addresses 5,000. Number of servers 5,200 plus servers. Number of server locations 62. Country Panama. 62 countries in the list. NordVPN is one of the most recognized brand in the VPN field. It offers a generous simultaneous connection count with 6 simultaneously connections through its network, where nearly all other providers offer 5 or fewer. NordVPN also offers a dedicated IP options for those looking for a different level of VPN connection. NordVPN offers a kill switch features and the ability to VPN into Tor. We detected no privacy leak during our test. Proton VPN. Number of servers 1260, 55 countries, region Switzerland. When we speed test Proton VPN, we saw an impressively small 9.6% speed loss compared to average speed clock without a VPN. Proton VPN's base speed sent it blazing past most of our roster of test services and into second place behind ExpressVPN. Even more impressive is Proton's ability to reach those speeds despite a relatively small fleet of 1260 servers in 55 countries. IP vanish. Number of IP addresses 40,000 plus. Number of servers 1600 plus. Number of server locations 75 plus. Number of simultaneously connections unlimited. Country US. A big win for IP Vanish is its fun, configurable interface which make it an ideal client for those who are interested in learning how to understand what a VPN does under the hood. Its multi-platform flexibility is also ideal for people focused on finding a Netflix-friendly VPN. Hotspot Shield server 3,200 plus in 82 locations, country US, platform Windows, Android, Macintosh, iOS, Linux, Amazon Fire TV. Hotspot Shield VPN is TLS based Hydra Catapult protocol. US jurisdiction 128-bit AES encryption supported, and large percentage of virtual servers might strip away our test in its ability to provide more privacy protection than its competitors. Tunnel Bear average speed loss 63%, number of servers 1800 in 23 countries, origin Canada. Tunnel Bears gotten a lot of hype in the last couple of years, but when we look under its hood and compared it to its VPN competitors, our excitement waned. CyberGhost VPN, like as Norton Secure VPN, Pure VPN, Strong VPN, private internet access. There is a lot of companies which provide virtual private network. You can use it's all according to your own goals. Okay, take care. We will meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye.